Good Thursday morning, everybody. We've got up this morning, lovely sunny day, driving into work, and we're in the fog.
Whoops. Not you, the other guy.
Yeah, man he pulled over by police. He's explaining his actions there. Anyway, that sidetracked me. I'm at the 50 mile an hour zone now, so I can go up to 60. Yay. What was I saying? Yeah, it's foggy.
Well, I just commented about the fact that there was a police car there because you don't normally see them this early in the morning here.
They're always about. Oh, he obviously didn't see the police car.
Yeah, he did.
Anyway, we digress. On the way to work, Friday Eve is upon us. Oh, it's been it's been a long week so far.
It's been a good week.
Yeah, it's been a good week, but it's been a long week. I'm still feeling full from that barbecue last night. I don't feel like I can eat all day. Well, that'll change when I get to work, I've no doubt. But first thing first, I'm yawning a lot, so I think I need more caffeine inside me. So, moving on. Okay guys, seeing as we've sorted out our dining table, Michelle's made chicken dinner, so we're going to eat at the table, so that's what we're going to do from now on. Oh, working day's over with, by the way. Moving on. Good morning guys, we've made it to the weekend almost. Friday, off to work, get through today, and it's free time for us all. Well, free time for me and you. It's very foggy, very thundery storms last night. You said you got woke up with the thunder?
Yeah, at 4 in the morning.
I heard something at 4 in the morning, but I didn't take any notice. Just got up and shut the window. But yes, it's a cool start to the morning, 17 degrees. But to be quite honest, it's very hot for around here, isn't it? But it's foggy, and I waffle, so I better slow down in this 40 zone because Michelle will tell me off, won't you? Default. Law-abiding citizen. Not law-abiding citizen. What was that all about?
So that you can obviously afford the speeding fine.
You can't you? Again. Anyway, off to work. Got coffee to travel. Friday. Just get through today. See what the weekend brings. I think we're out on Sunday. I know we're out on Sunday. We've got a surprise birthday party. I'm okay to say this because I don't really expect him to see my vlog. So, surprise 60th birthday party this Sunday. We're just debating who's going to have to go to the sorting office on Saturday. Apparently it's a draw.
Yeah, well, I mean, I was planning on spending tonight figuring out a meal plan for next week.
Oh, then we're for shopping.
List,
shopping. Yeah. So we've got to go shopping tomorrow, so we'll both just go do the shopping tomorrow. Yeah. Here comes the rain. There's steam coming up off the car park. Just unheard of in Aberdeen. Hi guys, apologies, my battery's gone on my GoPro, so I haven't used my phone. That's Friday, working day's over with. What we're doing is Michelle's just nipping into the shop. I'm not feeling too clever at the minute. I think my blood sugar's dropped a little bit, so I'm just sitting here sucking on Werther's sweets, and we've going to get ourselves a pizza and have some wine because it's Friday night. So, like I said, Michelle's gone getting the pizza and she's now nipped into the co-op to get a bottle of wine basically. So, let's get on home. Moving on. Okay guys, this is not going to bode well. We've just drunk a bottle of wine in what? 45 minutes?
About an hour.
Well, about an hour. And Michelle's had to stop eating the pizza so she can get some more room for a wine.
I'm probably going to end up asleep in like 20 minutes.
Yeah, it seemed like a good idea sitting at the table having a takeaway pizza, bottle of wine. We bought 2 bottles of wine because we knew we was going to quaff one. It's gone right to my head.
Ditto.
Yes, a little bit squiffy. So I think get some water in me and we'll wait. We'll ease it off. I might go and pick a film. Pick a film?
Do you not see it's editing you need to get done?
No. So tomorrow. Got editing. So, film?
Yeah.
Unless you've got something you want to watch?
I think I've probably got something on the box that's recorded that I need to watch, but we can have a look.
Let's go and see if I can persuade Michelle to watch a film. Moving on.